Hi, grade 1, Emirati syllabus. Today I will make a review for exam test as a quiz for preparing for your exam. Today it will be a review on in some items in your syllabus. But before I will go to our quiz or our exam or our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today, I will make a quick review on some items that we learned during this term. Here we have this video for grade 1, Emirati syllabus second term. So here in this part we learn capital S. I think during the lessons we learn capital S and small s. This letter called S. We have capital S and small s. And I would like to know the words that started by this letter. Let's know these words that started by this letter. Here we have snack. I would like to repeat with me when I I would like to follow me and repeat with me. Snack, 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 fun, 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 strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. I will repeat again. Snack, 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 fun, 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 strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. So here's called letter S. After I finish the video, I will leave you the booklet below the video to download it and trace the letters. Letter S written like this in capital and written like this small, okay? And if you have any questions, you can send it to me on the channel. I will reply immediately, okay? Let's go to another one here. Here in this part, you can see this question in your exam. Find or circle the letter, I can find and circle the letter S. Here we talk about letter S. How can I find it? This is letter S, letter S. If you know letter S, you can select it easily, okay? This is letter S. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 letters S, okay? Let's go to another item here. To another item. Here we say this called capital A and small a. During the lessons, we learn capital A and small a, and I would like to learn how to write capital A. This capital A and this called small a. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, capital A written like this. Written like this in printing only, but in writing, in normal writing, we write A like this. This written in capital letter, and this letter written in small letter. So here, or saying uppercase or lowercase, both are correct. Capital letter, small letter, uppercase or lowercase, both have the same meaning. Here is capital A and small a, but I would like to say capital and small because we know this more than upper and lower. Okay, we know it. We know it. We know it more. Okay. Here we say let's learn some words that started by letter A. Here we say apple, 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 and alligator, alligator. So I will repeat, apple and alligator. And I would like to say something about letter A. A is from what? A is from vowels. Can you remember me grade 1 by the vowel letters? I will remind you by these vowels. It will be here A, E, I, O, U. And before these vowels, we put A or an, we put A. Okay, we must know this. When we say apple, I say an apple. Ant, I say an ant. When we say alligator, I say an alligator. Okay, so now we know that A is from the vowel sound. I would like to know the consonant sound. The rest of the letters, it will be from the consonant sound. Like we say cat, for example. I can put A or N here. No, I can here I put A, not N. So now I will know the vowel letters and I know when I put A and when I put N. Okay, I would like, this is the rule that I would like when I explain when I explain the letters, I would like to know it. Let's go to another item here. Here is capital A and small a. When I leave you the booklet, I would like to trace these letters to know how to write it. Here is capital A and here is small a. Let's continue the rest of the review. I don't make a review on all the booklet. I explain some of these today, and I make a video to continue the rest. Okay, because to be able to study what we took, because I don't like to give you more than available to be able to study. Okay, here we say letter A. So here is in this part we select letter A. Here is capital A here. Here is select small a, and capital A. Here is what here is letter A. A. Okay. Last item we select letter S. Here is in this part we learn letter A, and in this part we select letter S. Here is capital T and small t. How can I write T in capital letter and small letter? Written like this in capital letter, and the small letter we learn we write capital T as it is, and we write it in small letter as it is. So now we know capital T and small t. Let's know the words started by letter T. Here we have tiger, tiger, tree, train. I would like to repeat with me. Tiger, tree, train. I'm listening you saying with me grade 1 are clever grade 1. Grade 1 is a clever pupils. Okay, I think so. Here is capital T. This is called capital T, and this is small t. I will repeat capital T and small t. Okay. So let's select letter T here from these letters. Here is capital T, here is small t, and here is capital T. So now we know capital T, small t, capital T. Now we know the letter T. Let's go to another item here. Some of you saying, Miss Ivan, it's enough. Yes, it's enough, but I would like to give you some to be able to study. I don't give you more. I classify the booklet in 2 videos, okay? As we agree with you in this thing, okay? I know this. So here in this part we learn letter B. Here is called capital B and small b. Don't say in when we all Arabic countries know heavy B and light B. We say capital B like bin, and B another B is like Paul. We say B like bin and B like Paul. Don't say heavy B and light B as we know in Arab culture. Okay. Here we say, let's read the words started by letter B. Here is called popcorn. I would like to say with me, popcorn, pencil, penguin. I will repeat and repeat after me. Popcorn, pencil, and penguin. Okay. How can I write letter B? I write letter B like this one. Here is capital B and here is small b. Okay. During Ramadan, if you don't go to school, I would like to follow me on the videos. I will download the videos on the channel to follow me. If you can't go into school in Ramadan, I would like to follow me to benefit from what I explain in this video. Okay, if you want this. Okay, here is we say let's select letter B. Here's capital B. Here's capital B, small b. B here. So here we say here is the letter B. B. I would like to remember you. B for pencil, B for penguin, B for what? B for as we know here, B for penguin, B for pencil, and B for popcorn. I would like to say popcorn. Here is we say popcorn, pencil, penguin. Popcorn, pencil, and penguin. Okay. Here is capital I and small I. I would like to write capital I written like this. And here is small I. So here in this part we learn capital I and small I. I would like to learn with you the words that the words started by letter I. Let's go to know this. Here we say igloo, inside. Igloo, inside. Okay, I would like to write letter I like this. This is capital I written like this. I have here the pencils not help me to write it in correct way, but I know that you are write it better than me. When we write it by yourself. Here is capital I and small I written like this. Let's continue the rest of this lesson. So here I select letter I. Where is letter I here? Here is letter I. This letter I, this one, and this one. Okay, this is letter I. Okay. Here is we say capital N and small n. How can I write capital N? I write capital N like this, capital N, and here is small n. Here is capital N and small n. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say necklace, nurse. Here's necklace, nurse, nose. Necklace, nurse, and nose. Here is capital N and small n, written like this. Here is capital N. I would like to write capital N, first of all. Written like this, capital N. And here is small n written like this. This capital N and small n, okay? Let's select the letter N. Here is capital N, small n, okay? I will give you this letter and I stop here today. The next video I will continue because I know that is enough today to learn. Here we learn letter today we learn letter A. We learn letter today we learn some letters. Let's I would like to remind you for the letters that we learned today. Today we learned some letters. Here in we learn letter S. We learn letter A, we learn letter T, we learn letter B, we learn letter I, we learn letter N, and now we learn letter M, and today I stop on letter M. Next class I will continue the rest of the booklet. Here is capital M written like this, and here is small m. So here we say capital M and small m. Capital M and small m. Let's know the words that started by this letter. Let's go and know what is the letter, what is the words that started by this letter. Here is we say monkey. I know that you all of us know monkey, and all of us go to the zoo and see the monkey. And I think we have a zoo in Emirati. I think so. In Egypt we have a zoo, and I think also in Emirati we have a zoo, and we have monkeys in these zoos. Okay, on these zoos. Here we have monkey, milk, moon. I will repeat after me. Moon, milk, monkey, milk, moon. Okay, here is called letter M. How I can write it letter M? I write letter M like this. There is capital M and small m. Capital M and small m. Okay. Let's select letter M from this question. Here is capital M. Here is small m. Capital M. Here is capital M and small m. Here is capital M. Okay. Today we'll stop here in this part. I would like to study what we took today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.